क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? तुम इतना शोर क्यों मचा रही हो? Why are you making so much noise? Why are you making so much noise? तुम्हें शांति से रहना चाहिए. You should live in peace. You should live in peace. तुम्हें अपनी पढ़ाई पर ध्यान देना चाहिए. You should concentrate on your study. You should concentrate on your study. परीक्षा तुम्हारे सर पर है. The exam is upon you. The exam is upon you. खेलकूद बंद करो. Stop playing games. Stop playing games. जाओ जाकर पढ़ाई करो. Go and study. Go and study. तुमने क्या खो दिया? What did you lose? What did you lose? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे हो? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? तुम क्या ढूंढ रहे थे? What were you looking for? What were you looking for? तुम वहां क्यों जाओगे? Why would you go there? Why would you go there? तुम मुझसे बोल सकते थे. You could have said him. You could have said him. अब झूठ मत बोलो. Don't lie now. Don't lie now. रहने भी दो. Let it be. Let it be. ये मायने नहीं रखता. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. मुझे विश्वास है. I believe. I believe. मुझे तुम पर बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं है. I don't trust you at all. I don't trust you at all. मैं तुम पर बिल्कुल भी विश्वास नहीं कर सकता. I can't trust you at all. I can't trust you at all. मैंने उस पर भरोसा नहीं किया. I didn't trust him. I didn't trust him. वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान था. He was very nice person. He was very nice person. वह मेरी मदद कर सकता था. He could help me. He could help me. वह मेरा साथ निभा सकता था. He could support me. He could support me. ये सुनी सुनाई बात है. This is a hearsay thing. This is a hearsay thing. इस पर भरोसा मत करो. Don't trust it. Don't trust it. लोग कुछ भी बोलते हैं. People say anything. People say anything. किसी की चुगली मत करो. Don't gossip about anyone. Don't gossip about anyone. ये बहुत गंदी आदत है. This is a very bad habit. This is a very bad habit. गंदी आदतों को छोड़ देना चाहिए. Bad habits should be given up. Bad habits should be given up. तुम्हें कोशिश करनी चाहिए. You should try. You should try. बच्चे मैदान में खेल रहे हैं. The children are playing in the playground. The children are playing in the playground. बच्चे मैदान में खेल रहे थे. The children were playing in the playground. The children were playing in the playground. बच्चे मैदान में खेल चुके हैं. The children have played in the playground. The children have played in the playground. बच्चे मैदान में खेलेंगे. The children will play in the playground. The children will play in the playground. गाड़ी रोको. Stop the car. Stop the car. मुझे नहीं जाना तुम्हारे साथ. I don't want to go with you. I don't want to go with you. तुम हमेशा ऐसा ही करते हो. You always do this. You always do this. मेरी बात बिल्कुल नहीं सुनते. Doesn't listen to me at all. Doesn't listen to me at all. मैं जा रही हूँ. I am going. I am going. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. मुझे माफ कर दो. Forgive me. Forgive me. आगे से ऐसा नहीं होगा. This will not happen from now on. This will not happen from now on. क्या तुम अब खुश हो? Are you happy now? Are you happy now? क्या आपको राशन मिल रहा है? Are you getting food stuff? Are you getting food stuff? क्या आपको राशन मिल गया है? Have you got food stuff? Have you got food stuff? कल उनको राशन मिलेगा. They will get food stuff tomorrow. They will get food stuff tomorrow. मुझे पागल मत बनाओ. Don't make me crazy. Don't make me crazy. पागल मत बनो. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. समझदार बनो. Be wise. Be wise. समझदारी वाली बातें करो. Talk wisely. Talk wisely. समझदार लोगों के साथ रहो. Stay with sensible people. Stay with sensible people. मैं कॉल कर रही हूँ. I am calling. I am calling. तुमने कॉल की थी. You called. You called. तुमने ही तो कॉल किया था. It was you who called. It was you who called. मैं कल कॉल करूंगी. I will call tomorrow. I will call tomorrow. मैं शायद सही हूँ. I am probably right. I am probably right. तुम्हें मेरी बात मान लेनी चाहिए. You should accept my advice. You should accept my advice. तुम बहुत फायदे में रहोगे. You will be very beneficial. You will be very beneficial. मैं तुम्हें सही सलाह दे रहा हूँ. I am giving you the right advice. I am giving you the right advice. तुम्हें यहाँ से जाना चाहिए. You should go from here. You should go from here. मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला. I didn't say that. I didn't say that. मैंने ऐसा बोला था. I said so. I said so. मैं ऐसा बोल ही नहीं सकता. I can't even say this. I can't even say this. तुम ऐसा कर सकते हो. You can do this. You can do this. तुम्हें उसे ऐसा नहीं बोलना चाहिए था. You shouldn't have told him that. You shouldn't have told him that. तुम्हारे साथ कौन था? Who was with you? Who was with you? तुम किसके साथ थे? With whom you were? With whom you were? तुम्हारे साथ कौन है? Who is with you? Who is with you? तुम्हारे साथ कौन जा रहा है? Who are you going to go with? Who are you going to go with? काम की बात करो. Get to the point. Get to the point. टाइम पास मत करो. Don't pass the time. Don't pass the time. तुम कब जागते हो? When do you get up? When do you get up? तुम कल कब जागे थे? When did you get up yesterday? When did you get up yesterday? तुम आज कितने बजे उठे थे? What time did you get up today? What time did you get up today? तुम्हें कल 4 बजे उठना पड़ेगा। You will have to get up at 4 a.m. tomorrow. You will have to get up at 4 a.m. tomorrow. तुम 5 बजे तक उठ सकते थे। You could have got up by 5. You could have got up by 5. तुम 6 बजे तक आराम से उठ सकते हो। You can get up comfortably by 6. You can get up comfortably by 6. इसमें क्या बुराई है? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? इसमें क्या बुराई थी? What was wrong with it? What was wrong with it? सब कुछ तो ठीक है। Everything is fine. Everything is fine. ये तुम पर सही लग रहा है। It looks perfect on you. It looks perfect on you. तुम्हें इसे ले लेना चाहिए। You should take it. You should take it. इसकी कीमत वाजिब है। Its price is reasonable. Its price is reasonable. उसने मुझे अनदेखा कर दिया। He ignored me. He ignored me. मैं उससे बात नहीं करूंगी। I will not talk to him anymore. I will not talk to him anymore. ये आप पर निर्भर है। It is up to you. It is up to you. ये आप पर निर्भर था। It was up to you. It was up to you. आपको क्या करना था? What did you have to do? What did you have to do? ये कुल मिलाकर आप पर निर्भर होगा। Overall, it will depend on you. Overall, it will depend on you. आप कौन सा रास्ता चुनते हैं? Which path do you choose? Which path do you choose? मैं अभी व्यस्त हूँ। I am busy right now. I am busy right now. मैं उस वक्त व्यस्त था। I was busy at that time. I was busy at that time. क्या तुम मेरे साथ जा सकते हो? Can you go with me? Can you go with me? नहीं, मुझे माफ कीजिए। No, I'm sorry. No, I'm sorry. आप मुझे प्रेरित करते हैं। You inspire me. You inspire me. मैंने आपकी जिंदगी से बहुत कुछ सीखा है। I have learned a lot from your life. I have learned a lot from your life. मैं आप जैसा बनना चाहता हूँ। I want to be like you. I want to be like you. आप कहाँ के रहने वाले हो? Where are you from? Where are you from? आप पहले कहाँ रहते थे? Where did you live before? Where did you live before? मैं आपकी प्रशंसा करता हूँ। I praise you. I praise you. आपको उसकी प्रशंसा करनी चाहिए। You should praise him. You should praise him. हम तो सिर्फ आपकी प्रशंसा ही कर सकते हैं। We can only praise you. We can only praise you. मुझे यकीन नहीं है। I am not sure. I am not sure. उसे यकीन नहीं है। He is not sure. He is not sure. उसे यकीन नहीं था। He was not sure. He was not sure. उसे यकीन नहीं होगा। He won't believe it. He won't believe it. मैं इसके बारे में नहीं सोचूंगा। I won't think about it. I won't think about it. आप कहाँ जा रही हैं? Where are you going? Where are you going? अगर आपको ऐतराज ना हो तो if you don't mind, if you don't mind,